Chest sign and symptoms, palpitation. Palpitation. When we ask patients about palpitations, it is important to explain to them the meaning of this symptom. Most patients mistakenly identify palpitation with tachycardia, that is, the pulse beating faster than normal. In reality, palpitations are not related to the rate or speed of the pulse, but simply indicate a subject and an uncomfortable sensation of being aware of one's heartbeat. Palpitations are a symptom which is always related to the heart and may appear in any of the heart patterns. Palpitation with an acute onset may be due to external stimuli such as fright or an overwhelming emotional upset, in which case it is called fright palpitations. Palpitation that extend upwards towards the chest and throat and downwards towards the umbilicus and abdomen are called Zheng Chong, which translate as panic palpitation. Literally, it means panic and anxiety. This type of palpitation is due to rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel affecting the heart and is considered a more severe type than ordinary palpitation. There are three more conditions which may cause palpitations. Shock affecting the heart. Palpitation after a shock, anxiety, agitation, restless, sleep, moving pulse, kidney yang deficiency with water overflowing to the heart. Palpitations, edema, especially of the legs and ankles, cold feeling in the legs and back, fullness and distension of the abdomen, soreness of lower back, feeling cold, scanty clear urination, breathlessness, cold hands, pale and swollen tongue with a wet white coating, deep, weak, slow pulse. Rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel affecting the heart. Severe palpitations, anxiety, feeling of energy rising from the abdomen to the chest, feeling of heat in the face, a feeling of lump in the throat, a feeling of tightness of the chest, nausea, slight breathlessness, epigastric fullness or stuffiness, umbilical and abdominal fullness, irregular and or painful periods, firm pulse. Case history. A 44-year-old woman had been suffering from palpitations for 8 years. Palpitation was just a subjective symptom of a feeling of her heart, thumping in her chest, and was not associated with tachycardia. The palpitations were always worse before her period. She always complained of nausea and an epigastric pain, was experienced just under the sternum, a sticky taste, and a feeling of lump in the throat. She also complained of experiencing a dry mouth occasionally. She occasionally suffered from tinnitus. Her periods were basically normal, coming every 4 weeks, lasting 6 days and not painful. The only problem associated with the period was premenstrual tension. Her complexion was dull and sallow, without luster, and her eyes were very dull and lackluster to an extreme degree. Her tongue was of a normal color, except for a red tip. It had a hard crack, and although it could not be defined as being filled, the coating was not sufficient. Her pulse was fine on the right and floating empty on the left. Diagnosis. The aggravation of the palpitation before the period together with the nausea, epigastric pain under the sternum, and the feeling of lump in the throat indicate rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel. As these vessels flow through the stomach, connect with the heart, transfer the chest, and goes over the throat on its way to the face. However, the pulse being fine on the right and the dull sallow complexion clearly show a condition of blood deficiency, while the floating empty nature of the pulse on the left side and the insufficient coating on the tongue show the beginning of the yin deficiency of the liver, kidney, and heart. In this case, therefore, the condition of rebellious qi in the penetrating vessel is secondarily to the condition of blood and yin deficiency. In other words, the qi of the penetrating vessel upward because there is a deficiency of blood and yin. In fact, the penetrating vessel is the sea of blood and is therefore easily affected by blood deficiency. The treatment principle in this case, therefore, should be to nourish blood and yin of the heart and liver, primarily, and to subdue rebellious qi in the penetrating vessel secondarily. The heart crack and the very dull appearance of the eyes indicate a disturbed mind and a strong propensity to emotional problem. Thank you for your attention.